Hi all. There is update from Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. This update issued on 17 January 2025. This is regarding how to delink member IDs from UAN. Why we need this update? Sometimes an individual might have multiple member IDs linked to a single UAN, and why it's necessary to unlink or delink them. Let's see. Multiple jobs leading to multiple PF accounts under the same UAN. A member ID was linked to the wrong UAN. Correction of data when the wrong member ID is associated. In all these cases, we have to delink whatever erroneously linked member IDs from the UAN. So by using this option, we can delink. But the thing is, whatever the member ID wrongly added in that contribution should not be there. If contribution is not there, we cannot delink as of now. Maybe in the future we will get update regarding that as well. Let's see step by step guide how to delink the member IDs from UAN. So here we can see step by step. First, log into the member interface. Open member interface of unified portal. HTTP unified portal mem.epfindia.gov.in member interface. Enter your UAN password and captcha and click on sign in button. Once you click on sign in button, OTP verification you have to do. After signing in, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile in the designated field. Complete the captcha, click the submit button. Once you click the submit button, you can land into the home page. After successful navigate to the view menu. Click on the service history sub menu. Okay. Once you click on service history, the page will be navigated to the service history page. On the service history page, you can view all your service records. To delink wrongly linked previous member ID details, click the delink button next to the corresponding records. This delink button you will be getting whatever the organization wrongly added. For that only you will be enable this one. A confirmation alert will be appear. Click OK to proceed. See here like this. Are you sure you want to delink this member ID? Click on OK. Employment status and consent. The next page will prompt you to select the reason for delinking. Provide the required consent by clicking the two boxes. Click the get OTP. Here employment status. Here you will get two options. Whether in that organization you joined without your consent or you got the employment but you didn't join. Those options will be there here. Select either of them and both you select and get the OTP. An OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Enter the OTP, then click submit. If the OTP is not received within 2 minutes, click the resend button to generate a new OTP. Once OTP came to your mobile, just enter the same OTP here, submit. So upon successful verification, the member ID will be delinked. The success message will be displayed. The page will redirect to your service history where the delinked mobile ID will no longer appear. Here you can see this pop-up, successfully deleted the member ID. So like this pop-up you will get error scenario. If he is here, electronic challan cum return has been filed against the member ID, you will receive an error message upon attempting to delink. See, if any contribution is present on that particular member ID, you will get the error message and you can't delete as of now that member from your UAN history. Maybe in the future that update we will get, we have to wait and see. Um, Here, these are the notes we have to remember. Your Aadhaar linked mobile number is active and accessible. Verify all the details before initiating the delinking process to avoid errors. Contact support if you face repeated issue or errors during the process. This is regarding how to delink the member ID from UAN, where more than one member ID linked to your UAN. That time this scenario will be work, and no contribution should be present on that particular member ID. Yeah, if you like this video, please do subscribe and like and share, uh, and do comment for future any other related videos. Thank you.